Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna create this super duper glowy skin makeup look for summer. And I have already prepped my skin with some moisturizer. So starting off with the PAC Pore Primer, and I'm applying it all over my face. Next, to get a radiant glow to my face, I'm gonna use the Faces Airtime Pro Liquid Illuminator. I'm taking it on the back of my hand and dotting it all over my face, and then I'm gonna blend it with a brush, and you can see that it gives a very natural glow to my face and it looks very nice. Next, I'm using the Nykaa Skin Genius foundation, and whatever is left on my hand, I'm mixing it with the foundation and applying it all over my skin, and this will give a very natural glow to my skin. And the foundation has very sheer coverage, so it looks like you are glowing from within, and that's what I want for this look. So yeah, if you are looking for a sheer coverage, then always drag your brush downwards and you will see the finish. I'm skipping concealer today, and to set everything I'm using the Nykaa Skin Genius Compact, and I'm setting everything so that my foundation and base products doesn't move. I'm using the NYX setting spray to set my base. Moving on to my brows, and today I'm looking for a very natural looking brows, so I'm using just a brow powder. This is from Amazon, and yeah, I'm applying it on my brows. Then I will just set everything with a brow gel. Today I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild brow gel, and that's pretty much it for my brows. Next up, I'm taking the same illuminator and applying it on the tops of my cheekbones and the highest point of my face. Moving on to the eyes, I'm using the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit eyeshadow and applying it all over my eyelid and blending it with my finger. I was not very happy with the coverage, so I applied a second coat of the eyeshadow and blending it again with my finger, and this eyeshadow looks stunning, you guys. Then I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Glam Bronze Duo, and I'm applying it on my eyes to define it a bit, and then I'm gonna contour my nose with it as well. I'm not gonna use any contour shade today, bronzer will work. So yeah, I'm contouring my eyes with it, and then I'm gonna take a very large fluffy brush and bronzing up my skin with it. And this bronzer has a very nice sheen to it. It's not matte, so it gives a very nice finish to your skin. It looks very natural. You will look like you are already tanned. And then I curled my lashes and applied some mascara. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and that's the finished eye look. Then I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Pro highlighter and I'm applying it on the areas where I tend to highlight every day, and I'm just bathing in highlighters today, and you can see the glow. I'm really loving it, and you can see it on my expressions as well. So yeah. And then I'm taking a little bit on my brush and I'm applying it on my collarbones, on my décolleté. So yeah, you can see the glow, guys. It's so amazing. Then to add some color to my cheeks, I'm using a blush as usual. Then to outline my lips, I'm using the PAC lip liner in So Spicy. I love this color. And for my lips, I'm using Nykaa Bombay. This is my favorite liquid lipstick from the Nykaa range. It's amazing. And that's the finished look. I hope you like it. If you did, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that every time I upload a video you will get notified. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.